So everyone, very good morning and welcome here, everybody. Today we are gathered here to discuss about very special things. आत्मनिर्भर भारत जो अभी प्रेजेंट में चल रहा है, पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी के द्वारा बहुत अच्छा अभियान की शुरुआत हुई है। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगा कि आत्मनिर्भर भारत क्या है और इसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है और इसकी क्यों जरूरत महसूस की गई कि हमारे ओजस्वी प्रधानमंत्री ने ऐसा सबके सामने ऐसा रखा कि आत्मनिर्भर बनना है भारत को। इसके लिए हम सब लोग यहाँ पे एकत्रित हुए हैं। सबसे पहले मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करवाना चाहूँगा मिस्टर लक्ष्मण सर, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट, एंड नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस मिस्टर अनिल सर, इंग्लिश मेंटर, नाउ director of American and Alien Public School, Mr. C.R. sir, and now with us Mr. Pradyuman also, and Ms. Sneha Kabra and Devasis, and I would like to introduce Ms. Meenakshi also. So friends, you are most welcome. And first of all, I would like to invite Mr. Lakshman sir to tell something about Atmanirbhar Bharat. Yes sir, please. Thank you.
भारत के प्रधानमंत्री श्रीमान नरेंद्र जी मोदी ने वर्तमान में इस कोरोना संकट के समय में अपने देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए, सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट बनाने के लिए एक अभियान की शुरुआत की है, जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं। इस विषय पर आज अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट में आयोजित इस चर्चा में हम सब भारत को आत्मनिर्भर, विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में आत्मनिर्भर बनाने के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हम कहाँ पर हैं और हमें कितना और ऊपर बढ़ना है, किन क्षेत्रों में क्या क्या किया जाना बाकी है, और इन सब के लिए हमारे स्टूडेंट्स जो कि अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट्स के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, इनके व्यूज़ होंगे, ये अपने विचारों से अवगत कराएंगे कि किस तरह से हम आत्मनिर्भर बनकर और भारत को विकसित राष्ट्रों की श्रेणी की इस दौड़ में शामिल कर सकेंगे। मेरा मानना है भारत देश एक विपुल संभावनाओं वाला देश है और इस कोरोना संकट में इस देश ने, इस संकट ने, इस क्राइसिस ने हमें ये याद दिला दिया और हमारा ध्यान इस आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर आकृष्ट कर लिया है कि यदि हम डिपेंडेंट रहेंगे, वर्तमान में ग्लोबल हर चीज पूरा वैश्विक परिदृश्य पर छा रही है, इसमें आत्मनिर्भरता वास्तव में कहीं न कहीं भुला दी गई है। और अभी हमने ताज़ा ये देखा कि वर्तमान में जो देश परावलंबी थे, आत्मनिर्भर नहीं थे, उन देशों को इस संकट में बहुत बड़ी मुसीबत का सामना करना पड़ा। इस संकट के दौरान हमारा ध्यान इस पर आकृष्ट हुआ और यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र जी मोदी ने एक अभियान जो हमारे देश की नीचे की ओर जाती हुई, रुकी हुई अर्थव्यवस्था को गति देने के लिए भी है, और हमारे जो युवा लोग हैं जिन पर भारत का भविष्य उनके कंधों पर टिका हुआ है, उन सबको आत्मनिर्भर बन करके और इस देश के विकास में, योगदान में एक नई दिशा देने का उनकी मंशा रही है। तो आज इस अभियान में हम अमेरिकन इंस्टीट्यूट के माध्यम से इस चर्चा में ये बातें, अपने विचार रखेंगे कि विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में, जैसे कि कृषि का क्षेत्र है, उत्पादन का क्षेत्र है और अन्य सभी क्षेत्रों में आत्मनिर्भर बनने के लिए हमें क्या क्या करना चाहिए, इन सभी बातों के साथ ये मंच आपके सामने है। थैंक्स।
Now, I would like to call Mr. C.R. sir to ask something.
So once again, welcome to all the youngsters, Lakshman sir, Anil sir, Mukesh sir, and the brilliant students of American Institute. This is really a great honor for me also. Your presence is definitely going to rock, and it will surely click the mind of new generations. So many varieties of ideas will be discussed here today. as we all know that India's economy is based on the primary sectors, industry sectors, and service sectors. So, firstly, I would like to ask you that what is your opinion about the responsibility of a common man for making India self-dependent? So I would like to request Sneha, what do you think? What is the responsibility of youngsters and the common man of India?
Now, first we have to make this idea clear what Atmanirbhar is. It doesn't mean that we are cutting the hands off from the global market. We have adopted globalization, liberalization in 1991. It has sense. It just means that we are being self-reliant by replacing the quality goods from and supplying it globally at the global market. So, a common man has some responsibility. First is to build the trust, is to have the trust on the companies. For instance, if we take the example of Patanjali, we have trusted that Patanjali and now it is circulating globally. Ayurveda has turnover of 8330 crores. So it has bolstered our economy. It has a great impact. So I would like to ask everyone to start trusting the locals and make the use of the globals at the locals at the global level.
Right. Yes, sir. What do you think about what should be the responsibility of a common man towards making India self-dependent?
According to me, I think the common man should trust to our own country. First, that thing should be on their mind. And if they are choosing our product, they should have a faith, they should have a trust in the products. It will only consider, depends on your uses, depends on your thinking, your environment, your people around you. If someone is telling someone that yes, I am using this product, just promote own products of our India. I think this is the best way to promote the products, because we are generally what we are doing, we are just showing some advertisement and we are showing some posts on the Facebook and all. So we can do like whenever we meet, we are talking some general things and all. That time we can also talk about these things, ideas like how we can promote our products, how we can sell our products, our own India-made products. So I think this is the best way to promote to self-dependent, and to every man should be thinking about this topic. I think.
Okay. So in your views, the concerned self-dependent can be obstacles by some of the ways, the mentality of the peoples towards the international brands. So what do you think? Why people should adapt the local brands, and how it will be beneficial towards making India self-dependent?
Firstly, sir, I would like to say that India never lacks in talent. As you all know, that most of the worldwide big companies, as you may have, we can take Google, Microsoft, and whatever the companies are, we know most of the CEOs of the big companies, they are belonging from India. Even in the NASA and in America, most of the doctors, scientists, they belong to India. They have gone from here. But the reason, as we know, in India, what we are talking about is Atmanirbharta. So we have to discuss about it. Why? Because the people who have learned in India, who have grown up over here, they are moving to the big countries, like the so-called big countries and all. So we have to bring them back. We have to aware people about the localities, local things. We have to bring them back, and we will have to aware them to do works, social works in India. Also, as you have asked me about the international brands, sir, firstly I would like to say कि कुछ भी चीज शुरू से international नहीं होती है.
Definitely.
Nothing is international from the beginning. If we take Apple, and in the clothing system we may have Peter England and whatever the Levi's, whatever the brands are there, how they have grown so worldwide, so globally. We can think on the very basics. The people of their locality, they may have, we can say, they may have promoted the things they are using. Firstly, the thing is the quality matters. If we are making the good quality, the main focus should be on quality. Along with that, the people who are using it, they should also promote it. For example, I will just only discuss about the Atmanirbharta in India. What we can do, as my colleague said, Patanjali, Ayurvedas. So we are having a lot of potential. This is all about the talent. Potential की कमी इंडिया में नहीं है बिल्कुल भी.
Definitely.
We can do startups. We can make our good companies regarding any of the sector, in IT sector, in electronics, in textile, garments, whatever the sectors are there. We can take the examples. We have to build up new things in our country. We can take the example of Make in India. But in this campaign of Atmanirbharta, we are not only, we will not only be following Make in India, but the only thing I am talking about, we should also think of the world. We should make for the world too. सिर्फ इंडिया में नहीं, वर्ल्ड के लिए भी बनाना है. Thank you.
बहुत बढ़िया. So friends, as you all know that the youth Devashish appealed to all the youngsters that we should have an attraction towards the local products instead of choosing the international brands. And he also suggested that all those brands that are advertised on the televisions, they also started somewhere with the beginning. So every journey starts with a single feet. It shows that the Indians should adopt first the local products which are made in India or at the domestic level. So the flow of money will circulate in Indian economy itself. So this is the first suggestion of the youth generations, that it's the time to promote the local and we should have the vocal for the local. Now, to continue the discussion, I would like to call Anil sir, what he think about Atmanirbhar Bharat and what the expectations he has from the youngsters.
At very first, I would like to thank American Institution for calling me, and really I am much impressed with the intellectual sense of these guys, Sneha, Pradhuman and Devashish. And it's seriously wonderful and pleasure for me to sit with CR sir, Mukesh sir and Lakshman sir with you. Sneha, actually I would like to ask you a basic question. If we are talking about dependence, so what we think with this word dependence?
Depending.
What is actually mean of self-dependence?
Our country cannot be self-reliant wholesale. Like we can't make petroleum. These things are not possible. But we have 10 sectors like textile, aircraft, and pharmaceutical, and steel, iron. These things can be done in India at a global level. So I mean to say that it means just replacing the quality goods. I didn't mean that we are just we are just abandoning all the exports.
Means you agree with me that we can't stop imports the goods from foreign completely.
But yes, we are part of globalization and liberalization.
Yes, we can't.
Yes.
So my question goes to Devashish that what steps must be taken for minimize the import and maximize export?
So firstly, the thing is we have to set up the industries. Along with that, industries can't be set up overnight. Okay. So what they need is funds, money, the basic thing. So I think the Indian investors, along with FDI, foreign direct investment, we have to invite for them, so that they can build up industries, set up industries in India, in the Indian region. So what will be the benefit of that in the economy? Direct benefit to the economy. What will the benefits? Sir, अगर सिर्फ इंडियन रीजन में अगर इंडस्ट्रीज सेटअप होती हैं, so the employment, the taxes, along with this, if we are making in India, we can make a lot. The quantity, we have to focus on the quantity along with the quality, so that we can make for our users. Along with this, we can export to the nations. The thing is, we have to make it in a big amount. Along with this, a good quality. So, भारत में जब तक चीजें बनेगी, तभी जाके अपन उसको प्रमोट करेंगे एंड एक्सपोर्ट करेंगे. सर, ग्लोबली किसी भी चीज को अपन ट्रेड को रोक नहीं सकते. बट रोकने के लिए उसको कम किया जा सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर डिपेंडेंट on the worldwide countries. चाइना पे अपन डिपेंडेंट है, यूएसए पे अपन डिपेंडेंट है, रशिया, फ्रांस, मिलिट्री इक्विपमेंट्स पे वी आर डिपेंडेंट ओवर देयर. So the thing is, what we can do is we can set up industries. We can call the FDI. We can call France, we can call China, we can call we can call America to come in India, invest in India, set up industries. So what will happen? The direct benefit will be to the people, to the economy of India.
After starting this campaign, Atmanirbhar Bharat, we see that most of companies of America, they are not only America, towards India. They are interested to come and start their business in India.
So India is also the second largest consumer of mobile phones. We can say that it is a global market, but we are not making it of any in our country. So what we can do is to establish those companies, call FDIs, and directly we can invest in our country, because we have demand but we don't have supply. If the supply and the demand ratios goes well, then our economy will do blusters.
Adding to Sneha's point, I would like to say that the basic rule of all these things, like we are set up the companies, the industries, whatever the things we are doing, basic rule of all these things are skills. If our person, our Indian men, all are well developed, well skilled, then we can think about this. The main point about all these things are education. Education, if every man, every person is educated, then we can think all these things, like we have to set up this, we have to set up this. Suppose our all universities, if good person are the person are going to the good universities, if they are taking the degrees from these universities, they can tie up with another companies, and they can work with these, and they can also inherit the ideas of another companies, and they can make our India develop in this situation right now. Because every person is thinking like, yeah, we are doing this, we are doing this, we are doing this. But what is the basic rule, thumb rule of all these things are skills. We have to focus on the skills that our person should be well developed. They can think in that manner, that how we can think about us and all our India. The people are what they are thinking, yeah, how can I progress? That's it. No. Every time think how our India, how our community, how our village, how our city can increase.
I would like to add something more with Pradhyuman. As you all know, firstly I would like to add up with Sneha. As she said, that the companies, electronics, we are doing well. More than 300 companies, worldwide companies are ready to invest. Although there are thousands in number, but 300 are actively doing work to come in India, probably UP and Haryana. They are willing to come, join, and establish set up the companies, industries over here. So this is a big achievement and a step taken in this Atmanirbhar Bharat. Along with this, as he said about the skills, the government is working over it. Skill development programs are running all over the country.
ITIs are going.
And I think people should focus on the start the business in our own India. People are thinking, okay, we are educated here and we will do the job outside India. What's the reason?
Should be.
Yeah. What's the reason behind that? That they are thinking, okay, we will get a good living standard out there, and many points are there. So we have to bring all these things in our India, so people can start thinking that we can stay here and we can think about the future of our kids and our business in India. Right. They are thinking, okay, if our kids will go outside, then only the future of our kids will be bright. No,
Even
it's not that.
We should go for direct selling also. Like everyone in India can't go with a startup, because startup needs funds, and everyone doesn't have funds. So we can go for direct selling. It doesn't require any any interview and these kind of things. It develops on their own, and they just start and they form a link, and it can go very globally. Like we can take the example of Vestige. Vestige is our Indian brand, and it is going globally in Saudi Arabia and in many more countries. The firm is there. So it has to start on own, and people has to support.
Right.
Like Modi Care, Vestige, these brands, and the product quality is really good.
And one more thing, the implementation of the schemes produced by the government. The implementation of the scheme should be on the ground level, because what happened, government just produce some budget for the people who are on the village and all. They don't send all these things, because suppose 500 rupees send Modi for the village people, so they don't get these monies at ground level. So should be implemented on the ground level.
Okay, so friends, my question is that what do you think about the research and development?
Sir, research and development only comes when the public education is at good level. If India's public education and public health is good, we can achieve the summits in R&D sector. And the state should start funding the R&D centers because like Switzerland, USA, China, they are very good in R&D and they produce their equipments on their own. So if we start working on R&D, we can do good in our ISROs. ISRO is doing so well, DRDOs, and we can achieve so much more if we start working on public education and public health.
Already when the funds are less, ISRO is doing so good. I would like to tell you, ISRO, India is the only, like the fourth country after America, Russia and Europe to reach to the moon and Mars. This is a big achievement. And I am just thinking that if the funds are so less and we can do this much, what will be the condition, what will be the achievement of our ISRO, DRDO and the space research, like all those, agencies, when the funds will be there. The thing is, the only thing I want is, like we are discussing the things, that we should invite the investors, Indian investors. This would be a big beneficial to all the people in India when the investment will be coming. Along with this, I would like to also talk about the private companies joining, because we have seen recently the American NASA has put up with Elon Musk company SpaceX, yeah, the Falcon 9, yeah. So they have sent Falcon 9 to ISS and all. So this is a part of privatization. So this will also benefit directly to the economy, as per my concern is concerned.
Because 3/4 of our nation's income is because of the private industries only. So if the private industries collaborate with the public funds, it can do so much well. Because why these startups dissolve? We all know, just because of the funds and public. Like if we talk about the public industries, it has enough funds but lacking skills. And I would also add in the skill development. Skill development doesn't restrict with education only. It can go for any art work, any beauty work, and anything. As like to if we look on Karen Minati and many more, they are great YouTuber content creator. So they are earning very well in YouTube only. So we should not restrict ourselves with education. We can go beyond it. We can think of many more things, because skill is a different thing and going for a job is a different thing. Making it a career and going for and just doing it for the sake of a job is really different. Because if we have skills, we can go beyond. Because for example, yeah,
Skills, I think skills is all about the interest. If you are interested in something,
Every single thing
you can
is-
make this interest as a career. If you are interested in, like, suppose if someone is interested in computer and all, they can do the degrees in that, and they
even
can make the
we can
career.
go
Every single thing is a talent.
Yeah.
Every single thing is a
Yeah.
skill.
and we
This
can
is
bring
where our-
innovative ideas.
That's the good beauty of our India, that we have all the sectors open. In every sector we have chance, like we can build our careers, like sports and many things.
And I would also add, like, we should start building these skills from the initial age, because everyone is not good at studies, everyone is not good at sports, but we should start exploring them. In which skill I am good. If I'm good in artistic work, if I'm good at sports, I should go for it. Then only I can bring the medals, I can go for Olympics, and I can go for anything.
Yeah.
But one should not restrict any kid from anything.
किसी दिन आप सुबह उठते हो, आपको मालूम पड़ता है आपको खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I would like to say, so this is a skill. You can make food. This is an art.
Yeah.
We may have Sanjeev sir. So many of the chefs are there. We can do anything. Everything that interests you is a skill.
Even
you
if
should
you are
develop
testing
them.
And
You should
for
work on it,
example-
and you should carry on it.
Yeah. And
Along
also
with
we
this, you
should-
can also take help of
Other-
internet.
Yeah, internet.
YouTube, you can go. Internet is so vast. You can reach millions of the people. That's a big opportunity.
Okay, so according to your views, the skills should be polished among the young
Yes.
generation.
And we should start respecting each and every skills, because
Right.
each and
These are
every
not only in the
labor.
sector of education.
And that
Parents should
family should
understand.
be
Because-
enthusiastic towards the kids. Like you should, if you are interested in this, you should do this.
As the word self-dependent comes to the mind, India, carrying the second largest population in the world,
Yes.
having the title of second largest country.
Yes.
What do you think about the role of women in making self-dependent India? My question is to Meenakshi. She's a school student. What do you think? What should be the role of women in making self-dependent India?
If you want something to be said, then ask a man. If you want something to be done, then ask a woman.
Very
This
good.
quote is perfectly correct to show the importance of women in the economy and she makes a family dependent, and that family goes and another level, and it makes a country dependent. So I want to say that if the woman gets a chance, then our economy can get the profit of $770 billion about 2025. And why the women are not getting the proper chance in the economy? Why? The answer of this question is the woman. The woman is the reason behind the woman. They are exploited. And why they are exploited? Because of a woman. And other woman is exploited, that's why she exploited other women. And they are not just a part of life. They are something other than this. The important role of women cannot be explained in the words. She's something more than that. I don't want to give you some example of some rich ladies. I want to give only just one example, that about faculty member Mrs. Sanju Kumar, who is also contributing in the progress of becoming an India self-dependent. She is also working in the private sector, but still in the lockdown also she is coming here and working for this institute. So I request and appeal those women which are seeing this video, then never let yourself less than others. If you have enthusiasm, then you can crack a big challenge which cannot be cracked by a man. And a man contribute in the economic growth. But what we come about a woman, she always grows in economic development. There is a lot of difference between economic growth and economic development, because economic development assures the social, political and other sectors of the development of other sectors of the economy, etc. So thank you and have the day you deserve.
Very good.
किसी भी आदमी के पीछे औरत का
Definitely,
हाल होता है.
As Meenakshi
So,
told,
yeah, I would like to
successful
explain
man.
more.
But her main is here to indicate the behind the
That's what I'm going to
behind,
say.
not just for a man,
That's what
but
I'm going
behind
to
the
say.
success of a whole country.
Yeah.
So, what would you like to aid in Meenakshi's word? How the women can contribute towards making India self-dependent and going up and touching to sky heights?
So if we talk about women with equal qualification as a man, only the half of the women, like we can take the ratio, only half of the women are working and getting the equal paid as a man. And if we talk about in the labor also, laborers, women get the less pay as compared to men. So why is this happening? Why this equality is not happening? I really don't get. The feminism, people are just lagging feminism. Feminism doesn't mean that becoming a pseudo-feminism. First make it clear, our Indian youth has to know that feminism doesn't mean pseudo-feminism. There is a difference between these two terms. Pseudo-feminism means that females getting higher pays, getting more qualification, getting more pays at the job, at a workplace. And feminism means getting equal things, getting equal opportunities, equal pays at everything. So stop making a feminism a farce.
What is the ground reality, the contribution of women you are measuring at the economic level?
Yeah, actually my thinking about that all these things are that if according to our Indian culture, women are generally not go outside the home. So I think according to their skills, they can find their own skills and they can create some good products at home also. So like domestic work that we can say like Many women are doing like making pickles and all that things, and many clothes they are making. Everything's like whatever we are doing, don't buy outside the brands and all these things. Try to implement all these things at your own.
Responsibility is our own
Here,
to make
on the way,
this-
I'm hearing since so many decades India is working
Yeah.
with so many cooperative banks.
Yeah. About the all cooperative banks like SSG Bank, the SSG is scheme, self-help group. In this scheme, all these women, like suppose 10 women correct, and that was one SSG. The title of this SSG according to their choice, okay? And what they do, a cooperative bank will finance the women, and based on these monies, these financial financial money, they can build their own products at home. So anyhow they are getting the finance, they are getting the sponsorship by anyone. That's the ground and basic rules of all these things. Money. If someone have money, they can implement their ideas. Because if we are buying something, we have to have the money. That's it. The biggest example I have seen in my entire life, one of my friend Komal, she is the biggest example in all these things, because what I see in her that she buys some clothes outside and she the raw material of the clothes, and she made it by own. She is developing their own skill. If she is making, she want to enhance in these skills, she have to do some certification courses and all that based on her choice. Every time I just telling her that do something, you have a good interest, you have good skills, just enhance it and sell your product. If she is selling her product, it is a like drop of a water in our contribution of self-dependent India. So we have to think in this.
Okay, there are two countries, India and China, carrying the world's top two largest countries. How would you like to compare the woman power being used for the development of a country in China and India? Devashish, tell.
So instead of comparing India and China, I would just like to throw.
No, I mean at the GDP level.
I would just like to throw some lights on the role of women in Atmanirbhar Bharat, on the way of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Yes.
The first thing that needs to be done is to know the importance of women. खाना बनाना से लेकर हो गया, सिलाई बुनाई, they are the skills. कपड़े पहन रहे, that comes सिलाई, बुनाई, खाना पीना, सारा सिस्टम हो रहा है. So आत्मनिर्भर भारत, first thing is to know the importance. Along with this, we have to I would not use the word allow, because they have the right to work. They should also work, they should come out of the houses, they should be a part as they are, but उन्होंने हमेशा पीछे से साथ दिया है, अब उनको फ्रंट पे आके काम करना पड़ेगा सर. आत्मनिर्भर बनने में जब किसी देश की पॉपुलेशन 50% के बराबर जब औरतें हैं इंडिया में, तो उनका रोल भी तो उतना होना चाहिए ना. अब उन्होंने पीछे से अगर काम कर रहे हैं तो आगे आप, दिस इज द टाइम. इस समय इंडियन पीपल वांट, we are the one who can decide either we are to become Atmanirbhar or not. In this, I think that the women are playing a major role in it.
As because if we want,
Rukma Devi, she's Rukma Devi, am I right?
yeah.
Name of that Sarpanch.
Rukma Devi.
From Jodhpur. Malhotra.
Right. We can't forget her.
Like in building the youth, a mother plays an important role. We all know. Like the basic education is given by a mother. And if a mother is not well educated, I don't think a youth can be developed. And we can expect our Atmanirbhar Bharat with so many skills and so many higher education level. The basic education is all done by a mother. So a mother is also meant to be trained and will have a lots of skills.
Women empowerment comes first.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I think every guy should be motivated for all these things.
Even we can take example in the army sector also. In army sector, women are being allowed. In the navy also, women are being allowed. It means they are seeing the potential of exploring them. They can do well.
Even they are flying the jets.
Less.
Even they are flying jets.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Many examples.
So I have a different question to Sneha first. We are talking about independent India, independent Bharat. So just imagine that we have become independent. So how will the face of India then after becoming independent? How do you see India? Where do you see India?
First, supply will get increased. Okay, infrastructure. Our country not only India's economy, like 22% of India's economy is on agriculture. Okay, 60% people are engaged in agriculture sector. And if we have become the Atmanirbhar, this ratio of 22% can be increased and the ratio of the people engaged can be decreased. Can you get? We can increase the production with the less number of people. That will be the future.
In that proportion.
In that proportion. Now it is 22 and 60. We can make it 60 to 20, 60 and 22. That is the thing. Infrastructure will be built. Infrastructure, if it get built, then employment. Then like by to 2022, we need 8.1 million jobs for our youth. So how can it be fulfilled? If the infrastructure will be developed, if the industries will be developed, no one will sleep without taking the two times breaths.
I think it will build the confidence in our youth. If we, our
I think
country is
youth will feel secure.
yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone will feel secure, like we are living in a country which is.
And I think brain
And
will be stopped
also-
completely.
And we won't settle. Yeah, as like we see for a clerk exam only, how many lakhs of the people just sit for that exam? Why? Because in India people are settling for anything. After becoming Atmanirbhar, people will not settle. The skills, like if I have artistic skills, for taking my personal example, I'm not growing it. Why? Because I know there is no future in it.
Right.
And if I see that there is a whole platform for it, I will go for it.
Definitely.
I will not seek for those government exams only.
सिर्फ सरकारी नौकरियों के लिए पीछे नहीं भागे.
Yeah.
They will be having a lot of sectors to
Yeah,
work.
actually.
Yeah.
Okay, as we are talking about the government jobs, all others, what do you think about the private sector, the role of private sector in Atmanirbhar Bharat?
Actually, as of now, I was just hearing that everything should be privatization. Yeah, many things if something is in government.
Here I would like to ask one more question. What is the need for promoting the privatizations? Do our government bodies or the hierarchies of the different departments of government are not enough capable to implement the schemes or
So it's
No.
basically not about the abilities, capacities.
yes,
But about the funds, because where does the government get from? They're getting from the taxes that we are paying. But to develop India, to make India Atmanirbhar, that one tax is not only enough. So what we have to do is, again the thing is about investment. So this thing comes from privatization.
okay.
Private people would be indulging in the things. I would like to take example of the electricity. Government is inviting a bid for renewable energy of solar energy. There is a program of Union government, Cosmos, that is
Developing 175 gigawatts.
Yeah, that the program name is one sun, one world, one grid. Along in that one, India would be producing 175 gigawatt renewable energy by 2022. That's a big achievement. That's a part of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
And that only by solar, wind, and
Yeah.
these things. So we are not only focusing on a short-term program,
In the
we are
upcoming 2-3
focusing on a
years-
long-term program.
In the upcoming 2-3 years, you will see private companies that are selling electricity.
And the main, we can say, obvious reason about all these things, if something is our personal, we are more serious about all these things. If something is based hands-on government, we are getting salaries, that's it. If something is our personal, we are
Take the
thinking,
basic example of
we are thinking,
schools only.
yeah, we are thinking the all that level. We are just observing each and every point on by our own physically, taking CR's example, they are observing all the schools here. It's all about all our mentality, how we are thinking all these things.
Government has already run so many schools.
Yeah.
What it depends on teachers and the students.
how they are-
loyal, how
How eager to
hardworking
learn,
they
how
are.
eager to teach.
Next,
Next, any questions?
Yeah, there is a question. that how can we be self-dependent in agriculture sector, because India is a agricultural
Sir,
country mostly.
like we can switch on more organic matters rather than being dependent on fertilizer and pesticides. Because after a time span, these fertilizer and pesticides leads are land barren. So if we take organic matter like gobar gas plants have been set up. If we use gobar and other dead animal bodies, dead human beings. And for instance, I want to add something. As a human body, a dead human body can grow a very large plant, a very large tree. Why don't we do that? Have you gotten my point? Like a dead body has so many components, protein, vitamins, minerals, and every component we have in our body.
Right.
So why to bury it? Why to make it a ash? Rather make it
Because our traditions.
rather make it as a humus, which can be used in our fertilization. Not in fertilization only, but just grow a plant.
Yeah, it can be used.
It can be,
I
but
think
it's all
design
based on
is
our
not
tradition.
possible. I think.
Why is
We
it
can't go for
possible?
that.
Yeah,
It will, but we have to start.
Traditions are there.
yeah, traditions are.
So we can't do that. I think.
It's all based on emotions.
Along with that,
We have started donating our eyes, liver, and all these things.
Definitely it will.
Yeah, but just
With the
think of
passage
a
of time,
long-term
with
plan.
the passage of time, it will happen. It
Yeah.
may happen.
Yeah.
Yes.
I think population.
Also, along with this, in the sector of agriculture, government is doing a lot of work.
Definitely.
Yeah, we can do
Because
that.
this is the major issue. आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने के लिए अगर कृषि को छोड़ दिया जाए तो it won't be possible.
We can't.
It's not
Yeah,
possible.
yes, we can't.
Already government has taken so many of the initiatives. 500 crores, it is given the subsidy, along with the subsidy, उनकी storage को लेके, transportation को लेके सरकार ने
We
करा
can
है
loans
काम.
come.
Many
Government are
loans,
making the policies.
That's reducing the amount and also.
So this will also benefit, sir.
Sir, I think population
Industry.
matters in this question.
Yeah.
Because to do the residential areas to population, the fields are going to be converted into residential colonies. So land will matter, I think.
I think we should
Sir,
motivate
land-
our farmers. No, sir, it will be,
In
it
all
can be,
sectors. How to be-
overtaken by the quality.
Yeah, quality.
When we will be using it, that's jaivic kheti,
Jaivic kheti.
yeah, organic. So it will improve that. Along with this, the government should request more and more people to indulge in farming, because at this time it's not, it's about reputation. We never know the importance of a farmer. So basically, from the very initial age, we must be knowing the importance of a farmer in our economy, in our system. Because सुबह उठने से पहले, सुबह उठने के बाद में जो खाना खाते हैं ना, उसके पीछे किसी farmer, किसी किसान की मेहनत होती है.
They are seeking, farmers are seeking from their work. Recently.
I think
They
after
are
this
going
podcast,
about
That's
seekings to
the
get.
reason. वो फार्मर को लेके अगर साथ में किसान को साथ में लेके चलेंगे तभी आत्मनिर्भरता की
The
तरफ
farmer comes first.
छलांग हो सकती है सर.
As well as
Yeah.
soldier.
एक क्वांटम जंप आ सकता है.
क्वांटम
अगर-
जंप जरूरी है सर.
I
तो
think
वो
after
सिर्फ
this
पांच
whole
किसानों को
lockdown,
साथ में लेके
the
चलेंगे.
laborers are thinking that we should do the farmers area home, because they have some fields and all at their village. They are going outside of the village by doing some silly jobs. But they should think in that manner that we can do by our home at our own
Government
village.
must think over this.
That's why I
Sir,
think
along with this, I would like to end an example. Before 40 to 50 days, India had to import PPE kit. You know PPE kit?
yeah.
But in the recent 40 days, you might get surprised. We are making 4 lakh, around 3 to 4 lakh PPEs per day in India.
Yeah.
This is achievement, and I would like to say,
we are still
अगर
importing those kits.
Importing.
Yeah.
We are
so if we can make in this crucial situation, in this crucial situation, if we can develop these kind of skills, we can get this much achievement, then we can do, as per my opinion, we can do anything to make India आत्मनिर्भर.
Because Corona will
It
give so
just
many
takes
lessons.
इस कोरोना काल में अगर ऐसी अचीवमेंट मिल सकती है तो मुझे लगता है हम सब मिलकर, क्योंकि बेसिकली आगे पीछे जाके देश को बनाता कौन है सर? वी आर द वन हु आर मेकिंग द नेशन.
People make the nation.
Yeah. if I come to the conclusion, then we are the one. Along with this, we will have to promote our things. We will have to boycott some other things. I won't say Chinese there, but we have to know the value of our
We should start
homemade things.
replacing the things.
Yes.
Like
We
we
are
have
doing
enough
all
IT
these
sector. We can go for Bangalore. Bangalore is a great IT sector. We can develop these apps within an hour. Like even
This-
Arogya Setu app.
Yes, it developed in Bangalore by a startup.
This is the time when we people come together and ये जो कहावत होती है घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर उसको झूठा बता दें. But we will have to replace the things with the Chinese, USA's and all the global things. घर की चीज घर में बनेगी, घर में यूज होगी. That is the best thing to make India आत्मनिर्भर. This is what I think.
Devashish, what is good that quarantine time
Yes.
allowed us to think over it. That we
Yes.
have talent.
We are.
We have talent.
This is the best time to
Every-
think to develop the skills.
Yeah, we started looking for our
We started
artistic
looking for
cooking and beyond our studies, we have started.
We all are here, I think, because of quarantine.
And in this time,
Otherwise,
Today there is no lockdown, we are not here.
I just want to appeal everyone who is watching कि इस समय पर ऐसे टाइम when we have plenty of time, सोना पीना सब कुछ छोड़ के भी बहुत सारा टाइम होता है. We have to know, we have to fit it in our mind that studies के अलावा बहुत कुछ है करने को.
Where we actually stand. It's not a place where we are standing. We can stand beyond it. We can go.
Studies के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ है.
And we have to start it by our own. If we are not contributing in our India, no. We have to start it by own.
If Mukesh sir allows me, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
If we are having time, I think I should ask that. I'm seriously much impressed with the institution, American and Mukesh sir as well as CR sir. And seriously, I'm very much, you can say that I'm blessed to meet you all guys here, and I'm very much impressed. And seriously, you impressed me a lot, Devashish, Sneha, and Prathima. If we are talking about self-dependent in Bharat, no doubt, private sector will matter, population will matter, agriculture will matter, human empowerment will matter. But I see that you, in the way that you all guys are speaking a fantastic English. And I come from an English field. I am also man of English. So seriously, I would like to know that what role American institution played in your life.
Sir,
I think definitely I can see that English boosted you.
Sir, clear if I say in Hindi, American ने मुझे, to be very honest, मुझे आत्मनिर्भर बनाया है. American has taught me.
Yes.
Yeah, I would like to clap. Yeah. For American, this one. American has made me आत्मनिर्भर. Yeah, to be very honest. Because I have learned to speak, to perform, to communicate. So if this is possible, this is just because of American.
Now, if you really felt that, I think you are Bangalore, I think. You are in Kuchana. Wherever you go, wherever you sit, wherever you work, you really felt that English boosted you, English
Every single
gave you
day,
confidence.
every single day when I meet people, I communicate with them. I just come to know about the importance of English. Okay. So whenever we talk in English, we see people speaking English. We every single day we come to know about the role of American in our life. You.
Sneha, I am seriously, it's wonderful to listen to you in a fantastic place you have. Even you are staying in Kuchana. Definitely not because of American, I think. So, what do you think? What's the role of English in
Sir,
Material.
English, like this confidence building. English is one thing, but building confidence, I got it here. And English plus confidence can make your
who's your
words
teacher in America?
both. CR sir and Mukesh sir has taught me to
Okay,
how.
sir, were having your classes.
Yeah, Mukesh sir were having the classes, and they taught me how to express your emotions in 2 words. It is necessary. If you have wits, if you have knowledge, but you don't know how to express, it's useless.
I think every guy has the skill, but
Once you're having enough time to express your views and like debate,
Yeah, we
For the part
had
of your
done
salary.
so many debates, so many group discussions. At a very young age, I started doing this. So till now, like I have attended MUNs, and MUNs can never be done without English. So I'm thankfully I express my gratitude.
So you must be thankful to
Yeah,
American institution.
MUN is like multi-united nation. And I have been with so many other organizations also, so many internships I have done only because of English. I knew English, I cleared those interviews, those group discussions prior because I knew English.
Good. Kaliman, I think you are at Bangalore. Yes. So can you imagine that without English, you could maybe sustain there, survive there in Bangalore?
No, not at all. I think everyone has the skill of speaking. If we are in the environment of English-speaking guys, so we can easily learn it. But what Americans give us a platform to showcase our talent. Like daily, I came to this class and I just saw Mukesh teaching us.
You are also a student of Mukesh, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. We all are student of Mukesh. I think Shia sir also. I taught by Shia sir in Icon Institute in 2011.
Yes.
So I think what I do learn from here, I just whatever I learn study at home, I just wrote some points, 5 or 6 points according to my IT skills. I am Java developer right now, so I just write some lines and all. What I was thinking, like how can I throw 2 arrows by one? So what I do, I just wrote 5 or 6 points. Suppose about Android. So what I do, I just wrote and I came here and I speak. So according to me, I can develop my skills in IT sector as well as English sector.
So you can say that English will play a major role.
So
in
English also
self-confidence
plays,
areas.
but this institute gives those intellectual people to discuss.
Actually,
Because
definitely.
like at initial stage, we didn't know anything. Seriously speaking, I was in grade 7, so I didn't know anything. But when I came here,
You
when I
came to
met,
America, you were in 7th standard.
yeah.
Actually,
So when we met people, when we discuss our views, when we gather the thoughts, when we listen, and being a listener and being a speaker both matters. And which English speaking skills has taught us, not only a speaker but a listener too.
I must say that, okay, sir, your student Meenakshi, she is speaking seriously well.
Yeah.
She speaks seriously so good. Meenakshi, so how did you make grip on English? How did you learn so well English?
The whole gratitude goes to CRSR and this American Institute. And one of the most thing which I like of the American Institute, that here only English is taught, not the Western culture. This is the most important thing which I learned from American Institute.
So I think this is so I think coming time is of America. I think
Yeah.
you must learn English.
Yeah, English is must.
Right. So
Any further queries?
Yeah.
I would like to invite.
I think IT must be discussed here. We are living this era, IT. So, dear sir, say Sneha, last 2 or 5 minutes to talk about IT.
Sir, IT sector needs to be grown.
Definitely.
Like, to develop our own apps, to develop everything on our own, we need IT sector to work with. Even a simple program, if we need a pop-up program only, we need a IT sector. So to build, to run the entire country, of course we need IT.
I think
And he can explain more because he belongs to IT.
I think the role of IT in our day-to-day life is the solving our problems by the codes.
I think English is a basic essential part of
Yeah.
IT.
Yeah.
You know, there are so many dialects of the street, they are written in
Yeah.
Sir,
English.
even if we want to grow globally, we need English.
Everything is about English. So I think
Even
it
in metro cities, if you know Hindi well, to tell this thing, you have to speak English.
Yeah.
Then I know Hindi well.
Yes, right. Yeah. In IT sector, I saw many people like they are writing codes and all these things. They are solving the problems. They are solving the problems and all these things. And the biggest example of right now, I saw CR sir right now is developing an app, American Institute application by the company of Noida. So
And they have sold so many apps, right?
yeah, this app solved many problems of American Institute. Many guys can download this app and connect through this. Seriously, it is a
Not
biggest
English from
achievement.
their home.
Yeah.
So in learning process, at initial stage, like even if we ask a kid of 4, okay, what he does, he just scroll YouTube. So the content creator are all IT people. They are the one who codes everything, who made this YouTube app. So whatever we are getting,
Who thought that it was good for us?
See, in the banking system, we can take an example. I saw my uncle is a manager in bank. So he used to keep all these accounts in a book. After all the IT sector become developed, so he just bought a software company.
yeah.
So it becomes solve up many problems, many times actually. We can take an example of supermarkets. Supermarkets, they are generally scan their product and just sell it.
Yes.
Keeping the account of the entire country,
Yeah.
135 crore people, we need a database. And who made this database? IT sector.
Yeah.
So friends, thank you so much for superb discussion. So I would like to know what's your views about this discussion.
I think it should
No doubt, it was so fantastic.
should be continued.
What I felt, it was serious
Maybe
for another
on
day.
next Saturday.
It gave me,
Yeah.
it gave me joy with sitting so distracted and seriously brilliant guys with you. Seriously. It was fabulous.
Okay, so it was really a nice discussion, and thanks to all the viewers who joined us this discussion on live on Facebook and with some other mediums. And it is definitely a moment of feeling proud that such a wonderful, energetic youths are here. Associate and definitely will associate. One day they will definitely turn the India from developing country to a developed country, a self-dependent, मतलब आत्मनिर्भर भारत बनाने में यही युवा है वो देश को आगे बढ़ाएगा। हमारे इस चैनल के जरिए और हमारे फेसबुक पेज के जरिए जो भी दर्शक हैं जो हमें देख रहे हैं, आप लोगों का बहुत बहुत आभार। आपको ऐसे डिस्कशन से क्या सीखने के लिए मिला है, आप हमें जरूर कमेंट बॉक्स में अपने कमेंट द्वारा बताएं। हम आने वाले समय में ऐसे और भी विभिन्न मुद्दों पे डिस्कशन करने के लिए यूथ्स को इनवाइट करेंगे। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर लक्ष्मण जी सर एंड अनिल सर। एंड वंस अगेन आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक्स टू द यंगस्टर्स। द यंग ब्लड इंडिया विल डेफिनेटली लीड्स आवर इंडिया and it will make India definitely self-dependent. So thank you very much for joining this discussion.
So thank you so much, everybody.